Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to check Android version. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you're using Android, it's easy to check or see either version or Android version. All you have to do is go to your settings and then you have to look for About Phone. So it's so easy to see. You just have to click this About Phone right here. And once you tap this About Phone, you can see here the information about your device. So on most phones, scroll all the way to the bottom and you will see the About Phone, About Device, or System, depending on your phone brand. In the About Phone section, find a field labeled Android version. The version number will be shown as something like Android 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Some phones may show this right way or right away. Others require one more tap. If you're using your Android version, tapping Android version will show more details like security patch level, build number, baseband version. So the Android 10, it was released 2019. Dark mode, smart reply, gesture navigations are the key features. So some apps won't run on older versions. Your device may miss security updates, and with new Android versions, it brings more control speed and features. So if you tap the Android version repeatedly, a secret graphic or game will sometimes appear called an Easter egg. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.